Hi everyone, today we are bringing our subframe and subframe components, the two knuckles, the two lower control arms and the diff. We're bringing them to get sandblasted so they come back fresh and clean, and then we can continue on. Let's get it loaded. Pulling up right now to the sandblast shop. Drop everything off. I cut up all these plates, so I'm going to start making boxes for the rear and start doing two chassis in the rear. Back of the subframe, we're going to use this Works plate. Welds right in. So we are working on the rear subframe here for this 260Z, and I wanted to take a moment and show you guys all the components and all the steps we're taking to building this car the right way. So what we have here is a reinforcement kit for a rear subframe. It's made by GK Tech. It's a 10-piece kit and it welds right into an S chassis subframe. So the thing about a drift car is it takes a lot of abuse, and this kit reinforces all the strategical mounting points of the rear control arms and strengthens the rear subframe a lot more. This is a must-have if you're going to build a drift car and you want to be somewhat competitive as well. So here it is, and now we're going to get into welding it. Okay, so now we are going to start welding in the first piece. It's already grinded off all the edges. It goes right there, like that. That gap there, it's because this was designed for an S14, S15 rear subframe, and this is a Z32 subframe. Very similar with minor differences. So I'm going to trace it out. Even though the subframe was sandblasted, it doesn't weld very nice. It's a sandblasted metal. So I'm going to grind this line. Once I grind it, then I can go and weld it in.